How often do you take tea? How often do you drink milk? How often do you take bath? How often do you take medicine? How often do you meet with your friend? How often do you go to market? How often do you take breakfast? How often do you take meal? How often do you take fruits? How often do you take cold drink? How often do you take exercise? How often do you go to school? How often do you purchase mango in a week? How often do you go to temple? How often do you take milk in a day? How often do you brush your teeth in a day? How often do you wash your hands in a day? How often do you switch off the light in a day? How often do you make juice in a day? How often do you telephone your friend in a day? Thank you.